In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add and crop your images within your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So in this video, you're going to learn how to add images in your cells, over your cells, and even crop them. Let's get started. Let's start by adding our images. So if you want to insert your image, all you have to do is to go to Insert here in the menu bar, select Image. Then you have two options. That's either image in your cells or the image over your cells. So whichever you need for your data, you can just choose from here. If you want to insert an image in your cell, just click on it. Then this tab will appear where you can choose where to get those images. You can upload them from your computer drive, from your webcam, a link to a specific photo or image, from your photos, from your Google Drive, or a Google image search. So that's totally up to you. And I'm just going to do a quick Google image search right here. If I click on that, go to the search bar at the top and enter your keyword. So I'm just going to insert a picture or an image of a button. Press enter, and here are the results. So once you've chosen the image that you want to insert, just click on it, select on that image, then click on insert at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. If I zoom in right here, you'll see that we have that small image of a button within my cell A1. If I do adjust the size of my cell, the size of the image adjusts as well. So it adjusts with the size of your cells. So that's your first option. You can insert it within your cell. Then if you resize your cells, the images will also adjust its size. Next one, I'm just going to zoom out a little right here. And we're going to try and insert an image over our cells. So go back to Insert, then Image. Then this time we're going to do Insert Image over Cells. Click on that. We're back, and I'm going to do another Google image search. We're going to insert the same image. So select the same one right there. Click on Insert at the bottom right, and here we have it. So now it's actually much bigger because this is the actual size of that image. And once it's inserted over our cells, it does adapt its original size, and here we have it. So for this one, we can reposition it, resize it as well. If we want to make it smaller or bigger, that is totally up to you. And we can also assign a script to this image. If you want to learn how to make this into an interactive button, I have another video about that. So if you're interested in that, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. So those are two options on how you can insert your images using the Insert Image tool. This time, I'm going to show you how you can crop your images. Now for the ones that you've inserted right here, the ones in your cell or the ones over your cells, we can't actually crop them. What we can do to crop the same image is to insert it in another way, and that's with our drawing. If we go back to Insert here in the menu bar, just below our image, we have Drawing. So if you click on that, now we have our Drawing tab right here. So different things that we can do here, and one of those things is to also insert an image. So if I click on Image here in the toolbar, it will give me the same choices. So again, go back to Google Image Search, type in the same keyword, select the same image that we had right here. So that's this one. Click on Insert. So right now we've inserted it in our drawing. It's not exactly on our spreadsheet yet. But if we wanted to crop this, so let's say maybe half of the button, depending on again what you want to do with your image, you have the crop image tool right here. So you can mask the image or crop the image. So if we wanted to crop this, we can just double click on it, and here we have those black outlines on the sides and on the corners. If we wanted to cut it in half, there you have it. So we have half a button right now. Or if we wanted to, let's say, mask it with a shape. If we go to the drop down right next to our crop tool, we have that mask image tool. Click on that, and now we can select the shape that we want to crop for that image. If I wanted to do this one right here, there you have it. And if I click on the outside, I've successfully cropped that tool to look like this. Now, once you're done cropping your image to however you want it to look like, we're just going to save and close here at the top right corner. Click on it, and here we have it. So the only option when you are trying to insert an image from your drawing would be to have it over your cells. If you do want to insert it or make it look like it's inserted on a cell, you can quickly just resize it to the size of that cell to make it look like it's actually inside. And there you have it. So 3 ways on how you can insert images and only 1 way to crop them. And that's with your insert image tool and your drawing. And if you still need extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.